Recognize completion and other achievements by creating and issuing certificates. This tutorial shows how to create a new certificate and add it to your course. To begin, from Class List Awards, click Course Awards. Here, you can view any existing badges or certificates. To add a certificate to your course, click Add Award to Course. Here, you can add an existing award or create a new one. For this example, click Create. Enter a name and description for the award. Next, select an award type. Click the Award Type drop-down and select Certificate. Navigate to Availability. In Availability, you can choose to share your awards with other courses, with other award creators, or restrict their use to child org units. You may also change the award's expiry settings. Next, choose an image for the certificate's icon. You can choose an existing image, upload a new one, or create a new image to upload. For this example, click From Existing Library. Select an image, then click Select. Now, choose a certificate template. Note, certificate templates are PDF forms that can be used to generate printable certificates. These templates use replace strings to incorporate dynamic data in certificates. For instance, this sample certificate template uses replace strings to generate certificates with the recipient's name, the award description, and more. You can upload a new template or load an existing one. To load an existing template, click From Existing Library. Select a template. Then, click Select. Make any necessary modifications to the award issuer information. When you are ready, click Save and Close. If the newly created certificate appears in the course awards list, you can now award it to learners manually from Class List Awards, or from Edit Properties, you can add release conditions that will automatically award the certificate to learners when the release conditions are met. Recognize completion and other achievements by creating and issuing certificates.